Stars up above me, stars in my eyes, fire below me, starting to rise. I'm my own captain, hanging on tight tonight. Pointless to try and turn back the time. I've never been this old in my life. Load up my spaceship, tear through the sky. I might leave regrets and wishes.
We just finished packing this whole box. It was gonna go to the post office today, and then these will go tomorrow. We are headed out to go to the Coyotes hockey game again tonight. They're playing Colorado, so it's gonna be a really fun game. I'm wearing these leggings from Splits 59. I love them. They're like the comfiest thing ever. This sweatshirt is just like random. And then this jacket is from Revolve from Girlfriend Denim. I've been wearing this jacket non-stop. It is my new favorite thing like ever. And then my 112s hat and my custom 112s.
Pants, jacket, coat.
Yeah, where are the pants from? Lululemon.
Lululemon.
Where's the shirt from?
Lululemon.
Where's his hat from?
OTW 112s.
Alright. Obviously, they're gonna watch some football while we're gone, and we need to turn it up like really loud because there's been fireworks, and I don't want them to get scared of the fireworks. How long will this be on? All night?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys, you'll be here. Is that okay? Be a good boy. We'll see you in a little bit. We'll see you in a little bit.
When I first saw your face and how everything changed that day, I remember trying hard to ignore the signs, but I couldn't and I didn't know why. I remember when I ran so far, like speeding trains in the passenger car. And I remember that you still came back for me. I tried to run and hide, but you were by my side. I can remember thinking you were crazy, love, but I don't mind. You wouldn't let me go.
Andy's in his puzzle era.
You have to do at least one puzzle during the holiday time.
Yeah, last night we worked. I did this whole top part. You finished a little bit of it.
Mm-hmm.
Look, this is the puzzle. It's
Tough one.
hot air balloons. We've got to finish this before New Year's because we're having people come over. So we can't have the puzzle on the table.
Yeah, we can put it on that side. People can fill in pieces.
Yeah, I guess. Look how we...
There's 1,000 pieces.
See, Andy, this is how I feel about renovating a home. Like, I can start the beginning process, but then I look into here and there's like never-ending puzzle pieces, and it's just like, no.
Yeah, it's pretty overwhelming.
Like, I can't do that, you know?
Mm-hmm.
But you, on the other hand, maybe that's why we're so perfect for each other, because we're opposites in that way.
You just gotta do one thing at a time.
Yeah, you're good at that.
It's got the reds,
Look at you.
greens,
Yeah.
yellows.
All right, we're going to bed. Coyotes won 6-3. Night.
Good
See
night.
you guys in the morning. Got a new vlog camera. Andy got me, or got us, I guess, the EOS M50 Mark II vlog camera, because my current camera right now is the Canon G7X, and it's been great, but the back screen is falling off and the screws like came loose, and it's just kind of annoying to deal with, and it's just sort of falling apart a little bit. So we decided to get a new camera. This is the one Rachel uses, I believe. She has the M50, I think. So this is it. It's beautiful, and we're excited to start filming on it and see the difference in quality between this and the Canon G7X. So I'm thinking our next vlog will be on this camera.
Yay.
And I'm so excited. The camera opens, like the viewfinder opens to the side now instead of above. The Canon G7X opens like this. This opens to the side. Angle on this camera is so much wider lens.
Really?
The lens is so much wider, yeah. Andy's making some banana pancakes for us, and I am filming on our new camera. Let us know if you can tell a difference in quality. I feel like you probably can.
Putting in the baking powder right now.
Yeah.
I already put in the flour and sugar.
I'm gonna have too much fun with this Zoom. Woke up this morning and I said, I want banana pancakes. Actually, no, I said, I want chocolate chip pancakes.
And we're gonna do both.
Right? We're gonna do both, baby. I'm wearing my Coyotes hat today because we're going to another hockey game tonight with Amy's uncle and our friend. they're playing Toronto, which will be a good game, hopefully. Look, Andy, you made me pancakes and I made you this.
Wow, that's a good heart. How'd you do that? Pancake with chocolate chips. And then on top, your second course, pancake with bananas and chocolate chips.
Mmm, thank you. Delicious. It's a rainy day in Arizona. We're getting Starbucks.
Ooh,
Look at that
that's
quality.
so much better.
We have a bunch of errands to run. I have to go to Zara and he's gonna drop me off so I can run in and return some stuff that I got, or we both got, like at the beginning of the month, before it's too late to return. We need to clean the house, organize. We have so much laundry. Our laundry room is literally
spoiler.
filling over. What the?
I got a haircut.
Yeah, look at Andy's haircut. It's so cute.
It's still long. Don't jump. The guy on the roof over there. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
1260. Love the truck, man.
Thank you.
Yeah. Gonna trade you here. Little top for you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, here's that.
Thanks.
It's latte in the
There you
longest
go, guys.
time.
Appreciate you.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate you. Thank you. See ya.
Soon, yeah.
Have a good weekend.
All right, you too.
Oh, he's so nice. A iced oat milk latte and just a little snack before the mall. It is the tomato mozzarella, like panini focaccia. Just for fun. Just for funsies. Have you ever had it?
Nope.
You've never had it?
Nope.
It's pretty good. That's what I got me and
Hopefully.
Rachel the day of the Christmas party. Remember? Because we were so hungover and I was at the baby shower. I had to get food or else I would probably pass out. Funny.
I got a tiny bit of tomato there. That's like a 3 out of 10 now.
I honestly just prefer the cheese and the bread.
You should have the first bites.
We're packing up a bunch of shoe orders from our sale. We're having a little New Year's sale, kind of just to thank you guys for your support, and everyone gets a free hat. Everything is 35% off. All the shoes are 35% off, and then you get a free hat with purchase. It has been a crazy year, and I'm so excited for what's to come. I feel like there's a lot that is going to happen in 2023. So this sale is kind of just representing 2022 and how great of a year it was, and I think it'll still be going on maybe when I post this video or when we post this video. If it's not going on, just send me a DM or an email or something, and we will give you the discount if you'd like to get a pair of shoes. Happy New Year's Eve, you guys. It is December 31st, 2022, and it's officially New Year's Eve. Last day of 2022. You can probably hear the vacuum. I have like the mini Roomba going in the back, so it's probably pretty loud. Just got home from the grocery store. We kind of went and stocked up for our party tonight.
Happy New Year's Eve.
We're having a little bit of a get together tonight with Andy's like hockey team friends. We have the backyard set up somewhat. Heater, chairs. Andy's gonna move the TV right here because UGA is playing. But right now, I'm gonna spray paint the table and have it say NYE 2022. I feel like that would be fun.
Hello? Okay, perfect. Yeah, I'll come out and get it. I'm just outside.
Uh-oh.
Pizza.
Thank you.
Pizza?
Yeah.
I should have started that way.
Can you grab it?
Yeah.
It's at the front door.
What do I?
It should be then 22.
Oh, not 2022?
No, it's gonna be too big.
The pot should be here.
Yeah. It's fine, and then people can like sign it with the spray paint. Nice. Okay.
It kind of looks bad.
Hey, you gotta go over it again.
I should have
You
started
good?
right here.
Thank you. We'll go over it again.
Don't get it in your eye.
Sweet. Well, it's like blending into the wood. AC. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Dylan, you can do yours.
Lit. It's really soaking in to the wood.
It's good. Pizza is here. We ordered 4 pizzas for everyone. This is buffalo or barbecue chicken. Oh my god, so good. Barbecue chicken. Ham, cheese, pineapple, and jalapeno. Interesting. Choice by Andy. Cheese, and then the other one's pepperoni. I'm gonna eat a cheese. how do we feel about the UGA win?
Yeah, it feels good. It's a hard fought victory and I actually fucking hold on.
5, 4, 2,
Oh,